Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites of AI. Today we're snacking on the scrumptious topic of optimizers. Now, before you go thinking that sounds like some kind of super vitamin or the name of a workout app, let me assure you, it's purely, positively about making our machine learning models perform better. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. Picture a mountain range, and you're trying to find the mountain's lowest point blindfolded. You take a step in whichever direction seems downwards. In the world of AI, this tricky task is known as optimization, and optimizers are our GPS. They help our models zero in on the best parameters to make accurate predictions or decisions. Kind of like a really determined treasure map. One of the simplest of these treasure maps is called gradient descent. Our model's parameters are like boulders, and gradient descent helps by moving them downhill to reach the valley's lowest point, where errors are minimized. Think of it like rolling a meatball down a spaghetti mountain until it nestles into that scrumptious, sauce-filled spot. But here's the catch. The full-batch gradient descent can be a little too thorough, checking every potential step before making a move. It's like that shopper who groceries for hours, scanning every single item on the shelf. That's where stochastic gradient descent, or SGD, steps in. It's, more spontaneous. It picks random samples and speeds things up, finding its way quickly, like randomly tossing things into the cart and hoping for a tasty dinner. Then, there are optimizers that are like wearing smart shoes with built-in turbo mode. Let's talk about Atom Optimizer. It's one of our star players, combining the benefits of two other methods, Attograd and RMS-Prop. Think of it as the smoothie of optimizers. Atom adjusts the learning rate throughout the training, helping the steps to be just right, not too long or too short. It's efficient, adaptive, and often used as the go-to optimizer when you can't decide which one to pick. Just don't try drinking it. It doesn't taste like strawberries. Some of you might wonder, why do we need all these various optimizers? Well, it's like asking why there are so many types of coffee. For some, an espresso does the trick, gets you up and running. Others might need a fancy macchiato with almond milk. Different data, tasks, and models require different tweaks and approaches. And then there's the question of which optimizer is the best. The answer is, it's really a bit like asking what's the best dance style at a party. It depends on the crowd. In tech jargon, it depends on your dataset and specific use case. Before we sign off, let me toss in a little fun from real life. Optimizing is everywhere. When you're trying to juggle schedules, looking for the fastest route on your GPS, or maybe even squeezing the most friends into a photo, yep, you're optimizing. Well, that's a wrap for today's Quick Bite. I hope this morsel of info was both enlightening and delightful. Remember, good optimization leads to better models, and better models make for cooler AI applications. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to delve into another tasty topic next time. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and may your gradients always descend smoothly.